In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the language of your Samsung Smart TV. Now this basically means the interface language, the language you'll see in the interface, the menus, all that stuff. So to change your TV's language, just go to settings. On this particular one, I'll go to the left hand side panel and then scroll down to settings and then go to all settings. On the all settings page, scroll down to general and privacy, select that, and then go to system manager and select that. Now you should see language there, and as you can see, mine is set to English. If I select that, I can be able to change the language to something else like French, Portuguese, whatever that is, and you have many languages you can choose from. All right, so for instance, if I choose Kiswahili, you can just select that, and that's going to change the language of my TV to Kiswahili, as you can see. All right, so the entire interface language is now Kiswahili, and that is basically how to change the language on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.